How's it called? It is Tails.
Replacement refs, damn it! Hello, MHS. I'm Joanne DeBuno at the Powder Puff Game 2012. Can you interview me? And Izzy wants to be interviewed. Let's interview her. So, Izzy, how are your feelings about this game, this year's Powder Puff?
Well, it's pretty good. A couple shaky calls. I don't know about the juniors touchdown, but otherwise, all around a good match.
Yeah, a really good matchup with a lot of energy, a lot of